Hey, one. Let's do it again.
Aye.
Trapping since it's over, we gon' shut it down. Now the traps can bet Emqolo, ain't no putting down. I ain't taking no advice from these damn clowns. Ain't no fucking sound.
Got a K on my feet, 100 on my wrist. Dealing for no shins and gum. Come with that beef, shit bigger than Hulu man. They get offended cause we young bosses angakuzeki. Been moving like Machiavelli. Some people think that it's scary. Kathela ukushovela umuntu mina ongakaze angishovele. I know that if you a hustler then my homie you understand that there's an energy shift when a nigga be switching plans. I don't play around with money bro, I've been buying in Japan. And when I touch it with both hands I make every hole my hand. I've been passive aggressive, seems like the masses think it's impressive. I'm fatigued, so I might be a little dismissive.
Who stop us now? We been trapping since it's over, we gon' shut it down. Now the traps can bet Emqolo.